perfect example of timeless beauty, the French manicure perfections are natural base colors with modern variants include colors tips for a bit of sparkle for extra style. Nail polish is a versatile and fashionable way to show your personal style. Whether you are someone who likes simple colors or trendsetter looking for the latest nail art ideas, there are a nail polish style for everyone. Nail art isn't just about looking good, it's about showing your personality. Whether you like simple designs, complicated patterns, or nails that match your hobbies, nail art is all about chance to tell your story in style. From candy cane stripes for Christmas to fun designs for Halloween, the possibilities are endless. Brides can choose classic right or ivory nails or add subtle decorations for a touch of glam. Bridesmaids can coordinate with the wedding color scheme. Create a luxury look with gradient jewel tone nails. Combine rich colors like sapphire, emerald, and amethyst for the regal appearance. Get your nails ready within clean, dry, and nails. Start with clean, dry nails. Remove old polish and trim and shape your nails as you like. Always apply a base coat to protect your nails and help the polish stick better. Put on nail polish in thin, even coats to avoid streaks and clumps. Let each coat dry completely before applying the next one. Using a dry quick top coat for a shiny finish, use a smile brush with nail polish remover to fix any mistake, ground the edges. While painting your nails is fun, taking care of them is too important. To keep them in top shape, give them a break from polish now and then. Too much polish can weaken your nails, making them break easily. Ombre nails blend two or more colors smoothly, creating a grading effect. Use a sponge or brush to get this style and